Hi guys, hope you're doing alright. So now I've replaced the head unit, I think it's about time that I get some proper bass in the car. Alright, so I'm going to attempt a custom boot build. Alright, now these videos will be shot over the course of the build, and I'll try and cover as much as possible for you. Now I've done a few builds before in other cars over the years, so I think it's about time I sort one out for the Fn2. Now I grew up in the era of maxpower and revs. They're car magazines back in the day. And they were good. They knew what they were doing. So they knew how to do custom boot builds. So I'm not talking sub box and amp bought from a shop and just dropped in the corner of the boot, job done. No. Alright, for me they are not boot builds. However, they do produce the same effect. Alright, and at the end of the day it all comes down to budget, time and preference. Alright. So I've done my calculations and I know what I want. And I know how I want the layout to be, to look like. So I'm thinking two 10-inch subs with a monoblock amp to power them. So there you go, two 10-inch Vibe Pulse subs and an in-phase monoblock amp to power them. Alright, so that's what I'm attempting to go into the boot. Alright, so there you have it. Alright, let me know in the comments below how you would do the build and what look you would go for. Alright, and I'll catch you on the next install. Alright, cheers, bye.